Hi there, my name's John. I had Andy from Captain Rugwash out yesterday cleaning our sofa. We've had this sofa about 5 years. I've never really considered having it cleaned before, certainly not cleaned professionally, because I didn't know if it would be affordable, I didn't know what the price was going to be. I didn't know what difference it would make between either hiring one of the sort of dirt doctor machines you get in the supermarkets or buying some sort of shop bought products on it. But it was brilliant just to be able to sit back and watch Andy at work. He's an absolute master, and he just handled everything. He had dust sheets down everywhere. Everything was done really, really professionally, and I was absolutely amazed at the amount of sort of the dirt and the soil and all the dog hair and cat hair and everything that came out of what to me looked like a pretty clean sofa. So much so that I said to Andy, can I take a photo of this? And literally I got my phone out and took a little, not a selfie, but a photo of it. So I mean the level of service that Andy gives is absolutely second to none. We are less than 24 hours later. I've had a couple of people walk in and say, oh my god, your sofa's looking really good. It really does look as good as it did the day it arrived 5 years ago, and considering we've got a dog, a cat and 2 young kids in our house, that's testament to the work that Andy's done. So yeah, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend Captain Rugwash to a friend. In fact, I already have. As I say, people have already commented on the work that they've seen, and all of a sudden they want their sofas done too. So well done, Andy, and yeah, hopefully I'll be using you again very soon. Cheers.